Good morning guys, in front of me is SONY Xperia 5V and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all you have to open your phone dialer, then find and select more icon and go to settings. Here mark block numbers, and in this panel you can either block all numbers that are not in contacts, you can block private numbers, unknown numbers, and then you can also add some number manually by yourself over here. Tap on block, and here also you've got notification that you will not receive calls or messages from all blocked numbers, so it is applied to all of the options here. But then you can remove deblocate smoothly by tapping on the cross icon, and those can be switched off smoothly by tapping on the indicators. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.